Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Netflix. To know how to fix or how to solve your Netflix app, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then we will enter to the window of Netflix and you will click. When you'll find this page of app info, you will click on first app and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end, you can turn on your airplane mode. You can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.